Good morning to the Excellencies, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Republic Day. My name is Trisha Jaiswal and I study in class 12th B. I would like to deliver a speech on this great annual occasion of Indian Republic Day. First of all, I would like to say thanks to my class teacher for giving me such a great opportunity to speak here on Republic Day of India. So, Republic Day, celebrated on January 26th every year, is one of the most important national events of India. It was on January 26, 1950, that the Constitution of India came into force and India became a truly sovereign, democratic, and republic state. On this day, India finally enjoyed the freedom of spirit, rule of law, and fundamental principle of governance. The patriotic fever of the Indian people on this day brings the whole country together, even in the embedded diversity. Our leaders should have dominating property in favor of the country so that each and every official way follow all rules of regulation in correct way. Every official would follow the Indian rules and regulations in order to make this country a corruption free country. Only a corruption free India would really and truly mean a country with unity in diversity. Our leaders should not understand them a special person, as they are one of from us and have been selected as to their country as their capability to level the country. So there should not be any confusion between their own ego and authority of position. As being an Indian citizen, we are responsible about our country. We should make ourselves updated, read news, and to be completely aware of what are going in our country, what is wrong and what is right. Today is the best day when we should take an oath to preserve our country in real meaning, position, status, and most important country culture of humanity. Thank you. Jai Hind.